Most people think starting a brand means hiring a designer, a photographer, a videographer, and a marketing team before you even make your first sale. What if you could skip all of that and walk into Claude with just a business idea and walk out with a complete brand creative package? That is exactly what I am about to show you. A brand image, 10 premium ad posters, and 3 high-quality video ads, all generated inside Claude using Higgsfield MCP from one business concept. If you already have Higgsfield MCP connected from my previous videos, you are good to go. If not, the setup link is in the description and takes 30 seconds. Now, let's get into it. I'm here now on the main interface of Claude, but before I start, let's make sure Higgsfield is connected. To check that, I'll click on Customization on the side panel and then Connectors. As you can see, Higgsfield is already connected to my Claude account. To find the MCP link needed for this, simply head over to Higgsfield and click on MCP and CLI in the top menu. Once you're here, select your preferred AI platform. You can choose between Claude, Cursor, OpenClaw, and Hermes, but for me, I prefer Claude, so that's what I'll use. Click here to copy the URL, then click here and it will take you directly to Claude's connector section. Now give your MCP a name and then paste the URL you copied earlier and click Add. I am going to open a fresh chat inside Claude with Higgsfield MCP connected. Now here is the concept. I have a business idea for a premium perfume brand called Velour. I have no product images, no branding, no creative assets, nothing. I am going to give Claude the idea and let it build everything from scratch. This is the first prompt I am sending. I am starting a premium perfume brand called Velour. The brand is elegant, modern, and luxurious. The target audience is confident men and women between 25 and 40 who appreciate high-end lifestyle products. Use GPT Image 2 to generate the main product image for Velour. The perfume bottle should be sleek and minimalist, dark glass with a gold cap, the Velour name engraved on the bottle in clean serif font. Shoot it on a dark marble surface with dramatic studio lighting, deep shadows, and a single ray of light catching the bottle. Make it look like it belongs in a luxury department store. 2K resolution. I will send that now and let Claude get to work. You can see Claude has picked up the brief and is now communicating with Higgsfield MCP to start the image generation. It is calling GPT Image 2 for this because it is a static image and GPT Image 2 produces the sharpest product detail. Give it a moment to generate. And there it is, the main product image for Velour. Look at how that came out. The lighting on the bottle, the reflection on the marble, the way the gold cap catches the light. That is a brand image. That is something you would see on a luxury perfume website or in a high-end magazine ad. Now I want to build on this. I have the main product image, but I need ad creatives. 10 premium ad posters for different platforms, different formats, different moods, while still staying true to the Velour brand identity. This is the second prompt. Now generate 10 premium ad posters for the Velour perfume brand using GPT Image 2 at 2K resolution. Each poster should feel like a high-end luxury advertisement. Vary the compositions across the 10 posters. Some should be product focused with minimal text. Some should include a lifestyle element like a hand holding the bottle or a close-up of the cap. And some should use abstract luxury backgrounds like dark velvet, gold foil, or deep midnight blue. Keep the Velour bottle design consistent across all 10 posters. Each poster should feel like it belongs in a different premium magazine or social media placement. Label them poster 1 through poster 10. Claude is now generating all 10 posters through Higgsfield MCP. Watch how it works through each one, building out the full set. Give it a moment to complete all 10. Look at these, 10 completely different compositions, 10 different moods, all unmistakably Velour. Some are minimal and product focused, some have lifestyle elements, and some use abstract luxury backgrounds. This is a full ad creative library for a brand that didn't exist 10 minutes ago. A creative agency would charge thousands of dollars for this kind of brand asset package. Claude just produced it inside one chat session. Now for the final part. I want video ads, not just clips. 3 premium high quality video ads, that look like they cost $5,000 each to produce. This is the third prompt, but because it is too long, let me just highlight the important part only. So basically, I'm asking it to generate 5 UGC style video ads for my perfume brand, and it should also use Seedance 2 at 1080p resolution, with each video being 15 seconds long. Let me quickly send that, and you can see that Claude is now passing all 5 ad briefs to Higgsfield MCP and starting the video generation. This takes a little longer than image generation, so give it a moment to work through all 5. You can see Claude is coordinating each ad separately, treating each one as its own production brief. That is exactly how a real creative director would approach this. 5 different concepts, 5 different moods, all serving the same brand. The ads are now ready. Let's go through them. Sometimes you'll notice that some generations appear as failed inside Claude, but the videos are often generated successfully anyway. All you need to do is open your Higgsfield account, click on videos at the top, and you'll usually find the completed results there, even when Claude displays them as failed for some unknown reason. Okay, so now let's look at the results. This first one, look at that. The couple in the kitchen, the velour bottle sitting right there on the counter, the warm lighting, the natural interaction between them. That looks like a real luxury lifestyle campaign. Now the second one. This one feels incredibly premium. The styling, the lighting, and the overall presentation all come together really well. It looks like the type of fragrance ad you would normally see from a major luxury brand. Third one. This one really stands out. The luxury apartment, the morning light, and the overall atmosphere create a strong brand identity. It feels polished, cinematic, and highly professional. Now the fourth one. This one has a more authentic UGC feel. It still looks premium, but it feels more natural and relatable, which is exactly the kind of content that tends to perform well on platforms like TikTok and Instagram Reels. And the fifth one. I really like the warm color tones in this one. It feels cinematic while still maintaining that authentic UGC style. The branding remains consistent throughout, which ties everything together nicely. This is what I keep saying about Higgsfield MCP. It is not just a tool that generates random clips. When you give it the right brief, it produces content that is genuinely competitive with what professional production teams deliver. And the fact that you can iterate, adjust, and regenerate without ever leaving the chat is what makes this a real workflow and not just a demo. Now let me generate one more and run it through Virality Predictor to see how it scores before we even think about posting it. So I will type something like, generate one more for social media posts in a UGC style, and the character should say something about the perfume. And when I send that, you can see it has already started generating the final video in a 9:16 format, optimized for TikTok and Instagram. Let's look at the final result now.
Talk about this perfume. Velour is literally everything. It smells expensive, it lasts all day, and every time I wear it, someone asks me what I have on. Like, this is my new signature scent.
Okay, you can see for yourself that this turned out really well. The overall quality is excellent, the presentation feels natural, and it's definitely something I would be happy to post. Now, to check the virality, just click on Predict Virality, and you'll see a line of code appear in your text box. All you need to do is send it and let Claude and Higgsfield handle the rest. And as you can see, the Virality Predictor is now analyzing the ad in real time. It is looking at visual cortex engagement, attention control, focus drift, and more. Basically telling you exactly how a real human brain responds to this video before you even post it. And that is what it looks like when you give Claude a real business brief with Higgsfield MCP connected. We started with just a brand name and a concept. We walked out with a main product image, 10 premium ad posters, and 5 UGC video ads, all produced inside one Claude session without opening a single other tool. If you are a freelancer, this is a complete brand creative package you can deliver to a client in one afternoon. If you are an entrepreneur, this is your entire launch creative sorted before you even have a physical product. The link to get started with Higgsfield MCP is in the description. Setup takes 30 seconds. If this video helped you, drop a like and subscribe. I will see you in the next one.